Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Dogecoin on Uphold and want to transfer it to your Revolut account, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the step-by-step process for 2025, making it super easy for you to manage your crypto. Whether you're looking to spend your Dogecoin or just diversify your holdings, this guide will help you do it smoothly and securely. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have both your Uphold and Revolut accounts set up and verified. This is crucial to avoid any hiccups. Start by logging into your Uphold account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and locate the Dogecoin wallet. It's usually under the Assets or Crypto section. Double-check for any 2025 updates, as interfaces might have changed. Next, select your Dogecoin balance and look for the Withdraw or Send option. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Before proceeding, take a moment to note any fees associated with the withdrawal. In 2025, Uphold might have updated their fee structure, so keep an eye out for network fees or minimum withdrawal amounts to ensure you're not surprised. Now, enter the destination details. For Revolut, you'll need to provide your Revolut crypto wallet address. Make sure it's specifically for Dogecoin. Copy and paste it carefully to avoid errors. Double-check everything, including the amount you want to withdraw, and hit Confirm. You'll likely see a confirmation screen. Review it one last time before approving. After that, sit tight. The transfer might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it's complete, check your Revolut app to confirm the Dogecoin has arrived. Pro tip: always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to keep your assets safe. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw Dogecoin from Uphold to Revolut in 2025. If you run into any issues, reach out to customer support for both services. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you next time.